Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the language on the Yandex Maps application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, click to the line at the upper left corner of the home screen, go to the settings icon and click to the first, the map and interface. New, in the general section you can find the second option, the language. Click that, and here you can find different languages. Actually I use English, but if you want to select, for example, the Russian, just click that, or the Spanish. Click that and you can use that, so easy. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.